It was crowded with other people. Eventually, one kind innkeeper said he had a stable where he kept his animals, and they were welcome to stay there. And so it was that a few hours later, Mary gave birth to her son in that stable. She wrapped Jesus in little cloth and laid him in a manger full of hay. Some shepherds were watching over their sheep. A bright light appeared in the sky. They were very afraid.
Angel. Angel.
They were angels sent by God. The angels told them not to be afraid because he had some good news. They said that the Son of God had been born and they would find him in Bethlehem. Following the three kings saw a new star shining high in the sky.
Yung ginto nila. Ang dami. No, wait, ganun. Ay, dami lahat. Lahat is iyan, lahat. Kunin mo lahat. Kunin mo lahat. Bato. Oh. Okay na. Okay, let's now proceed to the Joy to the World song.